Do you get nervous sending your email campaigns out? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that you need to ensure that you have in place in order to hit the send button with confidence. Hey y'all, I'm Elesha Jacobs of Innovategy Solutions, and I partner with service professionals and online business owners to leverage the power of technology through streamlined systems and automated processes to build sustainable businesses for revenue and client experience. In today's video, I want to share with you some of the things that you need to have in place or what you should be checking before you hit the send button. The first thing I want you to do is ensure that you are checking your links, making sure that no links are broken and you are clearly directing your readers to exactly where you want to send them. If it's to a product page or a service page or even a blog post, you want to ensure that those links are working. One of the things that can upset an entire email campaign is having broken links or links that just do not go to exactly where the reader needs to go. So the first thing that you need to be checking is your links. The next thing you want to do is ensure that you are planning your email campaigns. Planning is one of the most strategic and fundamental steps when it comes to email campaigns. So you want to ensure that you know the exact goal of that email campaign that you're going to be sending out, how it's tied to your business goals, and what is the purpose of those email campaigns that you are sending out. Apart from knowing the goals of your campaign, the next thing you want to do is making sure that you know how you're going to measure the success of those campaigns and which audience or segment needs to receive that specific email campaign. After you have defined your plan and also your email strategy, content plays an important role. We know that content is king, and so we want to ensure that the content that we're placing in our email campaigns speak to the audience or the segment that we're sending it out to. So some of the things that you need to look for is personalization. How are you going to personalize the experience of the persons receiving that email campaign? You also need to ensure that your call to actions are accurate and direct. So the next thing I want you to check for is some key elements that are usually overlooked when it comes to enhancing the inbox experience, and that is your from, name, and address. Can your subscribers easily identify your emails based on the name that you use to send out your email campaigns? That's something that you need to look for. So if you're representing your brand and your business, you want to ensure that your from is very easily identified. You want to ensure that your subject line and your preview text are in alignment with each other. Whatever is your subject line, your preview text should be similar or should give an introduction to what the email is all about that would entice the subscribers to open your emails. The next thing you want to ensure is that you are following your brand guidelines. That is from your brand logo to the colors and even the font that you use inside of your email campaigns. They all follow your brand guidelines, and so you can remain consistent with your brand. One of the things that can hinder the success of email campaigns is not optimizing your email design. And there's some key elements I want to highlight in this video on how you can optimize your email designs before you hit the send button. The first thing you want to do is check and see how your email looks in the various views of a device, whether that is desktop, mobile, and even tablet. Now email systems are giving you the option to check and see how your email looks before you hit the send button. So you want to ensure that you're taking advantage of those previews. The next thing that you want to do with regards to optimizing your email design is ensuring that you use high quality photos. High quality photos over time can be decreased based on the email service provider. So if Google, for example, has a certain resolution with regards to the image, they will break it down to suit their platform. So you want to ensure that you're not putting in fuzzy or blurry photos inside of your email design. So when it gets to your subscribers' inbox, the it looks even worse. So use high quality photos, so when it's going to be broken down based on the platform that it's going to be viewed on, it's still visible and clear. And next thing you want to ensure is that you are testing, or your email system gives you the option to test your email design in dark mode. Many devices today have that dark mode feature, and like myself, I use a lot of dark mode on almost all of my devices. You're going to find that there are a lot of subscribers who do the same. So you want to ensure that you are testing your emails in dark mode. Colors and can change on the contrast, or even when they go into dark mode, the colors can be affected, and even how your text actually appears in dark mode. So you want to ensure that you're on an email system that gives you the option to see what your email design looks like in dark mode. The next thing you want to do is confirm your merch tags. A lot of us are loving personalization, but one of the things you want to ensure is that your merch tags are actually correct, because a lot of times when we're going through or retyping up our email campaigns, we find that we do select the merch tags, but when you're doing those previews, you want to ensure that you're optimizing the design by ensuring that it's the person's first name, or whatever is the name tag or the merch tag that you're using, it is the correct tag. So you don't want to use last name where you want to use first name. So please ensure that you confirm that your merch tags are working and they are correct. The next thing you want to ensure when it comes to optimizing your email design is ensuring that your emails are accessible to any reader. Accessibility is going to be playing an important role going forward, because there are a lot of people who are either visually impaired or they are screen readers. So you want to ensure that your email design is accessible to any type of reader. The next thing that you need to be checking is your insights. Knowing if you have tracking on your emails, you want to ensure that you turn those on. And you also want to ensure that your activation or even your tracking codes are working inside of your email campaigns. So ensure that you check those to see that they're turned on, so that allows you to effectively measure the success of your email campaigns. Email deliverability is a big thing that you need to ensure that you are actively checking before you hit the send button. Ensuring that your subject line does not contain any spammy words that can cause your emails to go into the spam folder or even the promotion or the updates folder. So you want to ensure that you don't try to avoid using spammy words. Ensure that you include your unsubscribe link at the bottom or in the footer of your emails. This is where you're going to be compliant to CAN spam laws and even the general email marketing rules. So ensure that your unsubscribe links are working, and also ensure that if your email provider gives you the option where subscribers can update their preferences, those links are working as well. There are many things that I can go over with regards to things that you need to check before you hit the send button, but with practice you are going to perfect it. And so these are some of the important things that you want to check in order to ensure that you're delivering the best email campaigns. So I have created the ultimate checklist for email marketing for business owners who need to reduce errors and also ensure that they are sending the most optimized email campaigns. You can check the description down below for that checklist. Also, please let me know in the comments some of the things that you check for with relation to your email campaigns. What are some of the go-to things that you make sure that you go over with regards to your email campaigns? Also, don't forget to subscribe and also check out these videos on how you can leverage email marketing inside of your business. See you inside the next video.